if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, seen it right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you.
Yan po mga kapatid, papansin niyo po itong traffic enforcer natin dito, talagang malapit kahit mainit po mga kapatid dito sa Sorsogon. Nagtatrabaho po siya para sa kagaganda ng ating highways, daan, para maging maayos ang ating takbo ang daloy ng ating trapiko. Kaya tsaka po siya sa mainit. Ito po yan sa Sorsogon. Salot po ako kay Kuya mga kapatid. At nagiging maayos po yung takbo ng trapiko dito dahil sa mga katulad nito ni Sir. Talagang walang sawang nagtsatsaga at nagsasikripisyo para maging maayos ang daloy ng trapiko dito sa lungsod ng Sorsogon. Salud po, salud. Alright, God bless po sa lahat mga kapatid.
You did, that you said I don't know you think I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like it's amusing.
Unang malulubes dito. Shoutout sa inyong lahat mga kapatid. Hindi ko lang na vlogger dyan, mga nakasuporta sa ating YouTube channel. Maraming salamat.
I'm with you, I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm.
Samahan niyo akong mag-sayo ng iba't ibang uri ng tanawin dito sa albay, Sorsogon, kung saan tayo mapupunta mga kapatid. So yan, marami tayong papasyalan ng mga iba't ibang tanawin, iba't ibang biyahe. Marami tayong sa mga ating vlog. Shout out sa pinakamaganda kong girlfriend. Lipstick. Lipstick siya mga kapatid. Bye-bye. Kapeta ng pilit. Pang vlog. Kasarik no corner ito kang inaw no. Dito sa started now.
Everything that you did, baby, I don't think you understand.
125. Well, big
So I wasn't struck by Cupid.
Shit.
I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a tomb. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms.
Alright, this is all sila like shoutout po sa inyo mga kapatid. Sana huwag po kayo magsasaportahan ang ating channel. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more updates mga kaibigan.
You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of mine.
This is all sila like shoutout po sa inyo mga kapatid. Sana huwag po kayo magsasaportahan ang ating channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates mga kaibigan. Shoutout po sa inyo lahat mga kapatid. Alright, ingat po tayo lahat mga kaibigan. Shoutout. God bless at mabuhay. Alright, this is Nonoy Silipin Live. Shoutout po sa inyo lahat mga kapatid. Sana huwag po kayo magsawang supportahan ang ating channel. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more updates mga kaibigan. Shoutout po sa inyo lahat mga kapatid. Alright, ingat po tayo.
wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
What's up? Okay guys, mag-ice cream muna tayo ngayon dito sa pare ko sa base mo phone.
Cinco.
Gis na sana kayo mo. Katipid-tipid kita. Alright, shoutout sa lahat. Yan, sa mga Kaya muna tayo. Dating set salon dyan. Dito ba rin mga
Gusto mo break up sa dito ko safe. Safe. Break up side.
break.
Dapat mag-door date ka mo. Gali dagat. Pag nag-uwi ko, tulak mo. Yung lasa kaya talagang pansin mo yung ano, tamang-tama yung mga ingredients. Pwede mo na? Hindi. Pwede pa nagbayad.
Ang libre mo. Uy, picture ka, di ba ako pinagsasabihan?
Sabi ko na.
Oo, makiinis ako puwian ko.
Boy, harap kita picture mo yung mura-mura.
Dito ko nakamura doon, natin na sa rompeolas. Pula.
Oo, mura ka.
Kaya na, pinalitan ko naman.
Ito kaya, kibasahan.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my
Video ko ito sa ibaba.
nose, sitting right there. But if I lay down and
dapat pala. Nara ko tripod.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain you bring. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a drug. Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I won't get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always